Hi guys, how are you? This second video is going to be a complement of the first one that I suppose you have already seen about algebraic expressions. Okay, so we need to remember how it's possible for us to combine like terms, to simplify algebraic expressions. So in an algebraic expression, guys, we can find different variables. We can find x's, y's, m's, n's, b's. So when we combine them, we need to combine equal letters, equal variables, equal things. Look this example. We have 5 apples plus 6 bananas minus 2 bananas. This is the drawing. I can write this by using algebra, like 5a, 5 apples, plus 6 bananas, 6 b's, minus 2 bananas, 2 b's. I use the same letter in these terms because we're talking about the same fruit. So they are of the same kind. If you have 6 bananas and you eat 2 bananas, we're going to have 4 bananas at the end, 4 positive. So that's why 5 apples, they are alone. 6 minus 2, 4 bananas, 5a plus 4b. And is it possible to combine a's and b's? No. In algebra, it's not possible to combine a's and b's. C's and D's. No, we need to have the same letter. One other example. Look this. We have 9y plus 3 minus 4x minus 2y minus 3x minus 5. Okay, we're going to start combining terms. A's, I have 9y minus, look, minus 2y's. What happens if we have 9y's and we take away 2? We have 7 at the end, 7y's. Now, we have to do the same with the x's. 4, but look, it's negative. 4x is negative. And negative 3x's. So I have a depth of 4. And now I have a depth of 3. I have a final depth of 7 in x's. So that's why minus 7x. Now the constant terms, we have 3 minus 5 is minus 2. The final answer is this one. We cannot simplify that one. This is the final one, okay? So this is what we're going to do in the first session. We're going to name expressions. We're going to identify different terms in expressions. Coefficients, constant, the names are very important. We're going to identify like terms to simplify expressions. And at the end, we're going to evaluate. How can we evaluate? Evaluating algebraic expressions. To evaluate expressions, we need to replace the variable. Please remember we studied this in class. Look, I have this expression, for example, 7x squared minus 12x plus 13. 1, 2, 3 terms, so this is a trinomial. The degree is 2, is a quadratic trinomial, but I have the value of the x. The value is 4. So what can I do? Simple. We just have to replace that value in the polynomial that I'm giving to you at the beginning. So if the x is 4, 4 squared 16 times 7, 112. If the x is 4, 4 times 12, 48 is minus. And the 13 has no variable, so it's 13 is a constant. Why is a constant? Because the variable is not going to affect the value of the term. Now, please remember order of operations. We've already studied PEMDAS. When you have one situation like this one, we solve first the exponents, then we multiply, and at the end, subtractions and additions from left to right. 112 minus 48, 64 plus 13, 77. So we're also going to find the numerical values of the algebraic expressions by replacing the value of the variables given. Sometimes we have more than one variable, like in this one, 4x plus 3y. The x is 2, 4 times 2, 8. The y is 6, 3 times 6, 18, 18 and 8, 26. Okay, so this is what we're going to do in the first session of class. Tomorrow, we're going to have a meeting online to start talking about one-step equations. Guys, bye-bye. See you and take care of yourselves.